bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
খুব সুন্দর লাগছে। অর্কর 350 ক্লাসিক, অভিক হিমালয়ান, অনিক ইন্টারসেপ্টার, ববি হিমালয়ান টাইগার, কুটিরা ক্লাসিক 350, সঞ্জু 350 বুলেট, বান্টি, সায়ন হিমালয়ান, ইন্টারসেপ্টার আকাশ, শ্রমিক হিমালয়ান। এভরিবডি everybody cheers everybody.
Hello guys, I'm Onik from Fury 650 Diaries. Today our club Bengal Tiger Heads have all the members have came today at Raichok. This is Shomik. How are you feeling? Marathok. Akash. Swachh Bharat. This is Gautam. Hello. He's also a very good rider. Wow. Right now, all the bikes have been came. I'm showing, and this is our club treasurer, Bengal Tiger Heads treasurer, Bobida.
Hello.
Most senior rider, but a very good rider. And these are all the bikes. Just have a look. This is Bobita's Himalayan Tiger. This is Shayanda's Himalayan. This is Gautam's Classic. Oh yes. This is the Fury 650. A beast on the highways. Really. And this is the place. Beautiful. This is our Obigda's Himalayan. And this is Orco's Classic. Really enjoying a lot. The place is just awesome. Just awesome. Just have a look, guys. Look at the condition at Amphan. What happened? All the trees have been gone down. The situation is very critical right now, but I hope that state will take all the right decisions and cope up all the environment. And right now we are at the bank of river. This is a small place. Just have a look, guys. These all are the group members sitting at the side of the river. The place is awesome. I will suggest you all the guys come and visit this place. Nice place. Really awesome. Thanks to our club president, Shayanda. Really awesome. And really a special thanks to our cops who were here for the protection of us. And right now our club president is coming. BTH president Shayanda. Say hello to my subscribers.
Hi.
Obigda.
Like, share and subscribe.
Hi. For these guys, today the Fury Hub came. First of all, the BTH have formed. I am also a founder member of BTH. Thanks to these two dadas, they help us to make Fury 650. I'm really grateful to them. I came here in the riverside. Yes, this is the place. This is our Munmun Bodhi, the specialist in mutton, and the Bobida.
Hello.
Sanjuda. Say hi to my subscribers. And this is Bantida, and this is Bodhi. Ekdam acho. And this is Bodhi, and this is Orko. So guys, this is the place. Really awesome.
Yes.
This is a very good, nice place.
Hi.
So stay tuned. Fury 650 Diaries. Please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Till today, stay tuned. Bye bye.
So this is our BTH lineup for today's evening ride. This is Akash.
Hi.
Sanju.
Hello.
This is Anik. His channel is Fury 650 Diaries. Ensure to subscribe, like and share. This is Avik. His YouTube channel is BTH Rider. Bike looking awesome with those Mad Dogs headlights. This is Arindam Bishazda. Say hello.
Hello.
He rides an old school class Electra. This is Babida.
Hello.
Born to ride.
Himalayan Tiger.
Oh, he has named his Himalayan as the Tiger, and the rock red really looks ravishing.
Hi.
This is Gautam, our medic partner, and he rides a old school classic Nice helmet by the way, Gautam.
Thank you.
Riding a signal. Here comes Orko. Orko, say hi. Last but not the least, Shomik Pramanik, our marshal, riding Himalayan snow, right? Snow White.
Snow White.
Yeah. So, this is a KPT dock. Mundi, say hi. Say hi.
Hello.
So here we are. Leaving for the day.